Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. In today's video, we will see how to download and install Zoho Sheet application. So let's get started. For this, you'll require a web browser. I'll make use of Google Chrome. In the search bar, you need to enter Zoho Sheet download and press enter. You'll get this first link, Spreadsheet app for Windows. Click on this. Over here, this is the home page. You can see Zoho Sheet for Windows. So this software, it is a free spreadsheet application, okay, that allows you to create new spreadsheets and edit Excel files inside a familiar interface. If you already work with Microsoft Excel, you'll get the similar kind of interface to work with the Excel files, okay. So this is the native Windows app, offers faster, smoother interactions while allowing you to work both online and offline mode. Okay, over here it's a download for Windows button. You can download. Below, you will get the best of both worlds, means you can work online as well as offline. So you don't need to have internet to use the software, then no account required. You don't need to sign in. Okay. Once you have installed, you can start using the software. Now over here, everything you need for your spreadsheets, you can enter and manage data. You can turn numbers into an insights. Okay. You can visualize the data. You can automate tasks. You can remove repetitive tasks with VBA macros, record them automatically, or create your own from scratch. So it supports VBA, okay. Then ensure clean data. You can do data cleaning as well with this and work together without conflicts. So you can keep spreadsheet data aligned with the team goals by limiting access and locking the sales. Okay, collaborate in real time when you're online. Add comments, you can track versions, share files, and publish spreadsheets without friction. You can also work with other cloud drives. So it supports integration with the Google Drive, OneDrive, Box. So all these online storage drives are supported, so you can easily import or export your spreadsheets. You can keep your data secure. Over here, you can click on the download for Windows. So this is going to open the Microsoft Store. Over here, you can click on the download. This will download the installer. Click on open. Zoho spreadsheet app, it is an alternative to Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets. Okay. It allows you to create, edit, analyze, and share spreadsheets online as well as offline. So you can import and edit files, use formulas, functions, pivot tables, and charts. You can also collaborate with others in real time, automatically save changes to the cloud, and access spreadsheets from web, Android, and iPhone app. Once the download is complete, it is going to auto start the application. So this is the start screen which you will going to see. Click on get started. Let's maximize this. Okay. So you can see over here it's a Zoho Sheet beta application. You can click on this new and it is going to launch the new spreadsheet. Over here you can add multiple sheets to it. Okay. If you have already used Microsoft Excel, you will see a lot of similarities with this application and you can easily get hands-on with this app. In the file menu, you get new spreadsheet, you can new spreadsheet from the template, then you can open the recent files from the device. If you already have an Excel file, you can save. Okay. You can also password protect your file. You can add multiple different sheets to it. Okay. Now over here you get to see different menus: home menu, insert menu, page layout, formulas, data, and view. You can also freeze first row, unfreeze. Okay. Guidelines, formula, header, sheet, tabs, the notes. You can zoom unit, you can change the grid direction. In page layout, you can change the theme, orientation. You can also change the size, scaling, margin, align, page order. Lot of similar options you get to see. In formulas, you can insert function, to the cell, you can do auto sum. Okay, you get to see mathematical, financial functions, logical, statistical. Okay, in the insert menu, you can insert the pivot table, normal table. Okay, data from the picture. Okay, you can extract the information, the data from the picture from this menu. You can insert an image, screenshot. Okay, you insert the different charts you can create. You can link notes. Okay, and also you can keep the checkboxes. Now in the home menu, you get to see control over the font size, different fonts you can select. Okay, alignment. Then you can also see the clipboard. You can cut, copy, paste to these options. You can manage the number, the data type. Okay, over here you can apply the conditional formatting for different cells. You can insert, delete, or the format cells. You can do multiple editing, filter. You can sort. Okay, you can fill, and you can also do the auto sum. You can clear the cell. Okay, you can find and select. Once it is done, you can save your work. So I'll close this app, click on don't save for now. You can also view the existing provided templates from this. I'll close this application. You can also search for it. Click on the search, type Zoho space sheet, and you'll get to see this app icon. Click on open, and this will launch the Zoho Sheet application. You can select the blank sheet. So that's all for today, guys. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel, Rishi Labs. Thanks for watching.